Studio time that day, I remember say Nami Appietus Lumba.
Okay.
And Lumba wanted to even feature on that song.
Wow.
But Appietus are my name feature.
Na daddy will say obe feature nyomono. O nyom na wo de ba no.
Yes. He told him say enyomo ye feel. Ombi enyomo no nto. Because a feeling abano emmebium. Inti no man into.
What how did you get to know this?
I was there in the studio. One of the pains in my career is
Yes, no.
I'm telling
you.
Say we are seeing penina dowe due. Na wo show them now pen one seme mpie. Voltage meseta wasu netie. O show them kra.
Yeah, de betwa
otabua okodra. Enye ni mrike tu so true. De biara
mputuo
every day, every night. Bibiara mefebia. O kama na muntu.
Miniana bibia boko de.
Nyamia dumo.
Ede nyamia se finally. You didn't come off phone so I just I think I was here 2 years back cry.
Yes.
Na niema ba ko mienu mi 1719.
We cry say no say me try you take.
So what you say?
And am here say
ba we are there so free.
Yeah, me say no ma bedu Kumasi.
We are there so free me pa. Ukoni ya. Obada ben. And na ukoni ya. Oh yeah, dear. Because my pre watch it. I was for many voltage and aiding como. We are seeing Nipanyina do adie ananyasa.
Yes. Now we show them on nampen wa semempie. Voltage me se was unity. O show them cry ya de betwa wotabua okodra.
Nenye nemrika tu so tuom.
De biara umpem so true.
So true.
Yes.
And yes, so to oh, okay.
So let me go back to
okay.
Say we are seeing penina dowe due. Now we show them now pen one seme mpie. Voltage meseta wasu netie. O show them cry.
Yeah, de betwa
otabua okodra. Enye ni mrike tu so true. De biara
mputuo
every day, every night. Bibiara mefebia. O kama na muntu.
Wow.
It's here from French and Menya code.
Me because voltage na me nimu no. Yeah, shanko enkomobona say. Nipa one ne ye nwumi oye legend pa. Voltage kwa be na fa so ane that this year.
Said the first time I'm sure that the Lumba was National Theatre.
National Theatre.
Yeah, personally, nena me share na sa.
Na wo ko tonyo mana.
Me nena na champion kobo program o. Nti na your reunion program. So on any me and I performing on that day. And I happened to perform in a champion.
Wow.
Nti ohumi no so na yere pemasempa.
Daddy ne casa.
Yes. Na yere pemasempa ntino he would love to do something with me.
Wow.
Along the lines na so ni she Yvonne.
Yeah.
Ohini jan so ni me ene di me ho nkomo.
Okay.
Say on farming on me enyenyu. So I mean that is what happened that. And I'm somebody to be a
oh, you're sound engineer now.
Yes, sound engineer.
One casa recording studio.
Oh, I'm recording studio.
Wow. Yeah. Now your encounter with Nane Champo and also only Nana year your man.
But then now you be
before daddy.
Yes.
Oh, sir.
Menina now about Tintinto. About who affair. It's a lot. Umpewe. Ice cream.
Hey.
Yes.
Only Nane Champo.
Yes. Menina want you be it goes on. So Kumasi there. Make me as an artist or mommy back Kumasi more crowds than a champion. Because I'll come down to Kumasi. Maybe I na Juma or George Forrest or the late George Forrest. Maybe I do Kumasi be a I will just be sent to the beat that night. I have to record the next morning and leave. It is so you can imagine, say 3 songs are and you mean a beat, I have to have an idea, go back to the studio and record.
Wow.
Yes. And you have to memorize everything. It's just a be one song, and away one song we are now Jawoko. Go have me ba me be 2 songs, maybe you have 3 songs, me ya na me ko. Yeah, so it was actually now who brought me more into Kumasi for features in your money, yeah.
How many tracks now on deals or that two? I am Pim Domino.
And
Maseda.
Massedia.
Maseda na Massedie.
But I'm going to say, Uko internet and about Munina Mako to the Syria singing Abbey Yuama. That is the title. I mean, who say that internet now?
Yeah, but title and Ankasa Massedie. Wow. Almost the nyom no said yes, be torn no the title no. But nyom na Ankasa the movie a Massedie. Soundtrack and wine record the Appietus.
Recording.
Oh, okay.
Pimpim Appietus. Massedia Appietus. So on the album, no, it has Sika and then Nane Wuni do songs. Yeah.
Wow. Your encounter with Daddy. It push you.
Yes.
Only deal like because sad time there. Obia niswadi hunu ne say one Daddy Lumba besi and I'm fan say krama chinchina nkupi dumpina chinchina kope krama because
that feeling alone say it's a blessing when you have all the top musicians, you know. Say at that particular time will be a person no way anyum. Na enya wona bi asebo kopo obi cho so ma be feature wa nyum so. So it's a blessing meeting all of them. Mishia Daddy Lumba, Mishia Nane Champon, Najimai. I did songs with almost all the legends. I have a song with Ohidba Kisikra in release here.
Only Ohidba Kisikra.
Yes, I in release here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I think the only person nipa kami ni omunya anywhere kwabia nchini nana machi dede.
Na eno ebeba so.
Surely I'm praying say
wow. Because that America no then time. And sana say nipa mi nu obi nya omo na omaye nyom na wabri mu pa because you heard from Bora's time I mean fan say all for real be real no dem fan so ne be ye nyoma ba say na Lumba feature one track ne nyom so de. Now rap be kura na wote na
Lumba actually wanted to do an album and come in me where he will bring 4 songs and I come to me the 4 songs.
Wow.
And then
then what by home
studio time that day, you know. I remember say na me Appietus Bomenyum Bako.
Okay.
And Lumba wanted to even feature on that song.
Wow.
But Appietus are my name feature.
Yeah, Appietus, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, Appietus are my name feature.
Na Daddy will say obe feature nyom no. O nyom na o de ba no.
Yes. He told him say enyum ye feel. Ombi nyom no no nto. Because a feeling aba no emmebium. Inti no man nto.
What how did you get to know this?
I was there in the studio. Me no mo nyina na wo ho. Some of the songs no cry no bre me na metina machine to record it Daddy.
So yeah me fan say be can say na agura na say na jealousy. Because as somehow can dey deal me the nyom ba papa ne ten nyom na nyom ne do say me say no mama feature because me feel for this track.
One of the pains in my career is ADNS.
Yes ADN no.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you today. Because me between my artist feature be nyom na artist na kura ni ho. You can ask the nature from Becca. Me a peace song. I brought all the musicians on the song. The likes of Double, Free Uta, the late Kofi B, Adani Best. List them. Na nature from Castro Munina. But when that day happened, say, Papa Niti and you, even there was a word in my song. Lumba necessary that particular word in that song. Okachem so men daneno. To tell us, why not me be to be man.
Wow.
I am telling you with all my
and no say Dabi.
Apia catchings YBC until be until on next time or bar.
Not one man at all.
Yes. But you know music is feel. The moment I yes. Or can't say no crack at say Apia you me a feeling no. Me feel her one animate me am between you nibium.
Daddy can
yes. Min trying to be as well. Wamananto. Inti sena wo boa me and sena wo say me. Because at the end of the day, it's through your studio I got out. Miami, almost all my features in Appietus.
Wow.
Inti I had that opportunity and I said, Ubogu ya. And as I say nipa no, sabi what say voltage and yeska we jumani mo abeya we ya.
And so now
it shouldn't pain you because you are part of omo from.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Nyawu kan dey
Yes.
Yes, and me boss, I'm so me to say there is this, as I was saying, what can't say I was saying, Kregu.
Yeah, actually. Sometimes when I sit down and talk about it, I'm emotional about it. Yes, because not Ubiana being that Lumba, so because what's in you, I'm a young demo back at you, so I'm to be.
No.
So at that particular time, no way using your own you.
Daddy dear me, no.
Yes.
Am Pim and Macedano.
Yes.
Macedonian.
And so I had the opportunity, so also bear media back. And even if you had an appointment, so name a album crana, it was more like a gift and a papa and person the mommy.
So wow.
Obutukuya.
The Biani Benedict. About just only my anyway, and also voltage on a deal. Daddy Lumba. Uneimo, sorry, Aimo, Uneimo. I honor a Sika, and I say Sika. Let's just say Unaimu, sorry, Aimu, Bibia Sika. They say we are singing Abe Yuama. We are singing Abe Yuama. Now, when okay, over also.
Yeah. Today is my brighter day.
Killing me pain, voltage, retrieving every day. Yeah. But they owe me so.
Question now, my emotion.
Today is my US about. Today is my brighter day. Messiah or baby, I'm killing me pain. Voltage,
retrieving in I am a day.
Or they owe me so. Yeah. Wow. Minim say answer etoda. Minimo bi on nyom tuni bi ekoye nyom bi a great musician or what. But time album ne buy no. No ni enyuma ye feature no so no. Ni a year frame. Wow. Yeah. Na first time I ote radio play. Say hey, enyuma na me say bi kura me that day because once omo ye nyom no omo ye bi rom we are normal selected. Ti ye wie ya enyuma ne ba bonte on say ampa voltage me that the Lumba nyom na ye bo ni peace ye bo ni case me ye bo na. How was the feel? Because I know it you.
And you know, cry no her album, no so that was not going to be the promotional song because now the target in here na the other songs now yes. So this song came, and then when some of the DJs realized voltage was they started playing that song, and they began to baby
because me kaya. Pim domine crown windy. Then time you answer them promo.
Yes.
Nay na newu. Ene ayu because that time na near babe to banana.
Yes, near.
Yeah, two teams say. And no share ya or day na odi no so dey. Adum bi na man no.
Yes. A lot of people didn't even know I was on those songs. I remember Tama Mickey Darling Nyanyom no of Peace FM Nyanyom no. About the other songs. And I'm saying, my friend, I'm saying, brah, there's other songs I miss also be not like seriously. And I'm saying, yeah, no, Otie, no, I say, wow,
this is music.
And no started so bueno. And Lord being so good, no, on the album, no, and it's probably a crowd's favorites.
Yeah, because on that particular album, me sure say Obi tie me no nim no be kind of cry. Sa two songs will be taking over. Album ni nyina e be take you over cra minim say na holiday was na mafro odampa midin fi free be jare it's a holiday yeah but I think so but sa anyum impempem domene we need the ofa ba bia no a besina voltage da so yanyum
yeah me yanyum
say me nimba me come watie for no because yeah na nkofo bebre na na dem he fa no wo bi na say so Minim say mo de nwom ne ba mo mfa ahoden ni nhemu said I don't know.
On say share those times and any promoting music compared to now assasa Fabino I think that some of the radio presenters are not helping. Some of them. Mekaisa me Father's Day, Edu Father's Day. Charlie, big ups to you. Thanks so much. Mekaisa that time me the nyom ne ma anajo. And I was seeing nyom ne beto na no pano.
Wow.
And I was even surprised. Like the way you got it. Benti now I said me back home master Mekaisa man freaky ear. Me catch them say no, I have to be on this program.
Wow.
As my appreciation for what you did for me.
Me that's it.
One Jimmy, one city.
Me that's it.
And my way aside and mommy, I have to appreciate it. So coming on your program is a max. And if it has to be 10 minutes, I'll pass.
Me krana minim say and also can want na ba because I'm a friend na we say ke no enye dan a me ba was like obi a oba ne no wasan akọ ne de e den oji tumti on say me tie nyina ma ma odin say oba because na minim say enye dan a anhwa wo ma ntime so me da se pass say on so oba
you sometimes have to appreciate what people do for you. Not every time they is but let the person know that you are your man or yes. So I needed to pass through.
Wow.
For the whole world to know, so we baby man. That's my appreciate.
Me that's pa. And for now, yen next song and that baby go mean say baby now the guitar stores.
Yes. The new tunes, I was supposed to drop the new one this week.
Okay.
Maybe dropping new ones too. Titles near. On board and as something
enti omo aso enko Kesben FM omo wa person to voltage nka bia no
ma wasonte
Kesben FM you be dropping the whole commerce say na be
dropping wa first
okay
on board and as something
on board something
yes on board near one and as something so count.
Wow.
So you have to wait and see say I near something I make one.
Now, wow, here something, bear.
Minimum. Yes.
Oh, now, all true, and we know why.
Maybe I make catch and I miss something now, make an yen. It's chain now.
Let's see something, chrono.
Aha, now I judge. Aha.
Wow. All right, I was for many voltage and elbow come. I can see man and pepe. Na just yeah, sorry, na sports for no so about. I'm voltage young first man. I am fan wrap it up. It be an BB Kema and now Obe Kumasi Ache. Na Kumasi, then time I need to gidi no ba na net saying so the net saying.
Oh, Kumasi the MFE.
Okay.
Kumasi have showed love to me since. And also, I more appreciating good music.
Wow.
And you can't take it away from Ashanti region. Or more appreciating good music. So,
yeah.
We're associated with good music and Kwadia. Kumasi for the debut. Yes.
Wow.
And Kumasi the MFE. And I mean, your woman.
Oh, okay.
Your mom, I'm not fancy town.
Oh, okay.
And because school so starting my school Adventist preparatory here.
Oh, when you say you Kumasi anyway.
Yeah, we here na papa ejuma na de me call.
Fancy New Town, the next is only fancy.
Papa ejuma na de call nkran. And say, papa so you be obi anim.
Oh, okay.
Yes. My father the former national security coordinator, Mr. Pariado.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Former National Security Coordinator, Mr. Opariado.
Yes.
Ne something no banner. And that is a yenchen cry.
The firstborn.
Wow.
Yes.
Mama only and I say. Zami pesemi who say chocho mucha. Wow. And daddy way. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
To buy what could we do send an aircraft. I said, well, daddy better go, Kesman. Say, let us walk over friend, name on Fefi.
Maybe a meet me.
I war. And that's a good too. Voltage with us, thanks for passing to name on minimum. Say, you better shut up a time, Pania.
Yes, the next time I'm a
just.
Me a little early now.
Okay.
What time not one year, baby.
Okay. I think that Oforian Bonsa, Samson, Delilah, and also Saza, and also Cajon. Bra, Wabble bra, and that baby in 1-1. Thanks for passing through. All right, it was your fault. Voltage, you don't know, yes, I'm good to a cross. We are singing Abba Yuama. One day, sorry, Ukro, CK.